Hello there. How are you all doing, my wonderful and amazing fam? I hope you guys are keeping well. I hope so. And to my new subscribers, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. And if you're new here and you haven't subscribed also, thank you for watching. Okay, and if you're new here, my name is Jen Abby and you are welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I just want to show you guys this quick and easy hairstyle. As you guys know, I like to promote very easy hairstyle that even a novice can easily make. Okay, so I don't make it complicated, I don't make it difficult. I go for very simple styles. So in today's video, as you can see right there, I am just cutting out the hair, the style I want it to be. All right, before I start anything, that's what I do first. I like to cut the hair the way I want it to be, to make sure that it's gonna end up exactly the way I want it. So I first of all cut it out before I start making the hair. That's exactly what I'm doing right now. Okay, so after which I now clean the parts with Shine and Jam. You can use any other product of your choice, but I like to use Shine and Jam to clean the parts. And this is yarn wool, not Brazilian wool. This is yarn wool. That's what I'm gonna also use to tie the hair at the roots. So basically what I'm doing here, like I said before, I'm using this Shine and Jam to clean the parts that I already created to make it look very neat. So that's what I'm actually doing. Okay, as we go on, I'll explain.
You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
So this is what the part is looking like. Can you see? It's looking so neat. All right, so it's very important that you do this before you start making your hair, so the part will look very neat when you clean it with Shine and Jam or any other product of your choice. Yeah, I need to dance a little bit. This life is not that difficult. Yeah, we're in a good mood. At the point we're making the hair, there's music playing in the background, which we're dancing to. So this is Brazilian wool, and I'm going for a very long length. All right, so you cut out a very long length if you are going for a long length. So as you can see, it's very long. I cut it out and I cut it into 2 equal parts and then counted it. Because I'm going for a big braid, I counted 15 each. So in total, it's gonna be 30 strands. I don't know if I'm making sense. I counted 15 each. So the one I'm holding right there is 15. Yeah, so I'll count another 15, yeah, by combining it together to make it 30. Yeah, that's it. 15. I'll then join it together. In total it's 30 pieces, so it's very huge. So I applied the water on the hair to make it easy to handle in terms of the braiding. Okay, then I comb it out and then apply gel. In that way it will be easy for me to handle it with the big braid I'm going for. Okay, so I just rub a little bit of the gel to flatten the hair and make it easy to braid. And basically the braid I'm making, I'm not like, you know, particular about the perfection of the braid because of the style I'm going for. So I wasn't, you know, paying more attention to make sure that the braid comes out perfect. No, that was not what I was actually doing. I just wanted to like create a big braid. Okay, because the style I'm going for, it won't be noticeable whether the braid is perfect or not. Okay, so that's it, guys. I will explain more as we go ahead if there is need for explanation. Okay. So this is what the big braid is looking like, I know it's not the best, but like I said, it's gonna get the work done. So when trimming the ends of the Brazilian wool, please leave one strand. Okay, we're gonna be using it to knot the hair, okay, which I will show you guys later on. And everything you need to do at this point in terms of, you know, cleaning the braid from excess hairs, whatever it is that you want to clean up. As you can see, this is the time for you to do that, because once you start rolling, you can't do that anymore. So now I want you to pay more attention to what I want to explain. So when folding the hair, because we're going for the style now, when folding the hair, watch the direction of your braid. Okay, where your braid falls is that direction you have to fold. All right, mine falls anti-clockwise, that's why I'm folding it anti-clockwise. When you do yours, if it's clockwise, please fold it clockwise. If it's anti-clockwise, do that. The reason why I said that is because if you do it the other way around, you're gonna cause the person carrying the hair a very serious pain. Okay, it's gonna cause headache maybe throughout the duration of the person carrying the hair. It's gonna be painful, and secondly, it's also gonna, you know, damage the person's hair. So be careful when you're making this hair to follow the direction of the braid fall. If it's anti-clockwise, fold anti-clockwise. If it's clockwise, do the same. So to secure it more, I use this strong rubber band to secure it tightly so that it won't unravel. Okay, it's actually very simple, as you can see. I enjoy you know, making this kind of hair. And please make sure that you're not doing it so tight, okay, so you don't harm the person carrying the hair. After which, you just beautify it with any hair band of your choice that is very beautiful to create more beauty to the hair. That's exactly what I did. I'm going to explain more, you know, as I fold one more hair. I will explain more in case if you don't understand what I said before. So like I said, if you look directly to that hair there, my hair falls anti-clockwise. Okay, so basically, like I said before, make sure you clean all the excess hairs from the braid before you start folding, and leave one strand. So now if you watch there, mine falls anti-clockwise and I have to fold it anti-clockwise. I'm not going the other way around, so I'm folding anti-clockwise. Okay, so I've explained the reason why. At the end, you then secure it with the one strand of the strong rubber band. That will make it to last more longer. Like this one, she carried it for a week before I removed it. All right, and actually I'm in a hurry so that she will not, you know, go to school late. I started making this hair early in the morning. Okay, so, and you know, making hair and videoing at the same time, trying to focus the camera is a lot, so it took time from me compared to if I'm making the hair without camera. It will not just take me time. And this particular one I did in front, oh my goodness, this is not actually what I was going for. I wanted to do something different, but because of time, like I said before, I don't want her to go to school late. The time is already, you know, going. So I wanted to remove this big braid, this one in front here, and do her small braids with beads, which would have been more beautiful with the style. But because of time, I couldn't do that. So I had to come up with this one and let her run to school. So that's it, guys. It's not a very difficult style, though. It's something that anybody can create, and it's always fun for you to create simple styles like this. So if you have kids, I don't know what you're waiting for. Start, you know, learning how to make these simple hairstyles. It doesn't take anything, okay? Instead of taking them to salon all the time and wasting a lot of money, these are easy styles. You can create them weekly, you know, and they'll always be looking cute. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not done that, and watch out for the next simple cute hairstyle from me. Okay, for now, I still remain your simple hairstyle creator. Thank you, and God bless. Bye.